I am Dr. Monica Chaudhary. I am gynecologist, and today we are going to discuss some gums problem during pregnancy with our dentist, Dr. Kirtika. So, Dr. Kirtika, please give your introduction and tell something about you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kirtika. I am a periodontist and oral implantologist. I have done my MDS from PGIMS Rohtak and currently I am practicing in Gurgaon in my own clinic by name of Getwell Dental Care.
Okay, Dr. Kirtika. So, we are getting so many patients who are getting some tooth problem during pregnancy. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें गम से ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है या गम्स में स्वेलिंग आ गई है या टूथ में पेन हो रहा है. So please can you tell me something about all these problems?
Actually doctor, I would say that mostly females ये problem face करती हैं जब उनका oral hygiene already थोड़ा poor होता है या फिर moderate to severe stage में आता है. But at the time of pregnancy it's quite normal that उनके gum से bleeding हो रही है या फिर उनका टूथ डिके में पेन ज़्यादा स्टार्ट हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ रेजिंग इन प्रेगनेंसी हॉर्मोन्स. सो एट दैट टाइम आई वुड से दैट दे शुड गो टू देयर नियर बाई डेंटिस्ट एंड दे शुड विजिट देयर बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम हमें कुछ प्रोसीजर्स फॉर द टाइमिंग रोकने होते हैं, कुछ प्रोसीजर्स हम कर सकते हैं. एंड ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर means 3rd to 6th month of pregnancy is considered
means 12 weeks to 28 weeks.
Yes. It is considered the safest one in which we can do elective procedures like RCT, tooth extraction, and scaling and polishing we can do during whole pregnancy. But it's not an emergency situation. So I would say that the main thing that they can do that they can maintain their oral hygiene in a very good condition. And before getting pregnancy, they should consult with their dentist and जो भी उनको प्रॉब्लम है वो पहले से ही ट्रीट करवा सकते हैं so that उनको प्रेगनेंसी टाइम पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना आए.
Obviously, जैसे हम प्री प्रेगनेंसी में बाकी ब्लड इन्वेस्टिगेशंस कराते हैं कि शुगर नॉर्मल है कि नहीं है, थायराइड नॉर्मल है या नहीं है, फीमेल फिजिकली फिट है या नहीं है, ऐसे ही डेंटल हेल्थ पे भी फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है. Prior to conception, they should visit their nearby dentist to know whether their teeth are healthy or not, right? And डॉक्टर कीर्तिका, आप हमें एक चीज़ और बताइए. जैसे कुछ फीमेल आती हैं प्रेगनेंसी टाइम में, जैसे दे आर हैविंग सम लिटिल बिट स्वेलिंग एट देयर गम एरिया. सो कैन यू प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट दिस गम स्वेलिंग्स, जैसे कि कुछ नोड बन गया या गम में कुछ एक लोकुलेटेड सी स्वेलिंग आ गई है, तो उसके बारे में प्लीज आप हमें बताइए.
Actually, it's known as pregnancy tumor. It's a kind of gingival enlargement which mostly pregnant patients get in during pregnancy because of raising in pregnancy hormones. So at that time, if there is a profuse bleeding from that swelling or from that tumor, so we can arrest that by doing some laser procedures because laser is completely safe. It's a bloodless and it's a painless procedure. And during that time we can do this procedure under topical anesthesia. And we can give some painkillers to patient as well. Most commonly we give paracetamol 650 mg and maximum 1 gram of paracetamol we can give on SOS basis. And if patient is in 3rd trimester or in 1st trimester, then at that time we can hold that case and we can give some oral hygiene instructions so that they can control this problem. So in that oral hygiene instructions, they have to do some warm saline rinses. They have to take some lukewarm water, add 2 to 3 pinches of salt in it, and they can do rinses twice or thrice a day. And when the pregnancy time is over, they can
take their full treatment, RCT or whatever they want, they can do it. So as per American Pregnancy Association also, there is increased tendency of teeth problem during pregnancy due to increased progesterone level in body. So just be careful about your dental hygiene. तो ये तो हमारी बात हुई ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. डिलीवरी के बाद भी अब ये मिथ्स भी है कि जैसे कुछ लोगों का ये मानना होता है, मेरे पास काफ़ी पेशेंट्स भी आते हैं कि हमारे जो बड़े लोग हैं हमें ब्रश करने से मना करते हैं. आई स्ट्रिक्टली अगेंस्ट दिस मिथ्स कि ब्रश नहीं करनी चाहिए, उनके बड़े बोलते हैं कि ब्रश उनको नहीं करनी चाहिए जिससे उनके दांतों में वीकनेस आ जाती है. आई स्ट्रिक्टली अगेंस्ट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. They should regularly maintain their dental hygiene. And but still, even after maintaining their dental hygiene, still some female face such problem like toothache and gum bleeding. डॉक्टर कृतिका, आप हमें बता सकती हैं कि डिलीवरी के बाद भी ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Actually, at that time there is a taboo that these females are not allowed to do brushing. And at that time, if oral hygiene would not be good, so definitely they would face some gums problems and toothache problem. So I also would not recommend this. I'm also against this because they should maintain their oral hygiene, and at least they should do brushing twice a day with proper brushing technique, and they should do warm saline rinses, and they should maintain their oral hygiene. And mostly ये problem आती है जब patients sugar rich diet या फिर high calorie diets लेते हैं and they do not that maintain that proper oral hygiene
At regular interval they are not maintaining. So just be careful about your dental hygiene, and if there is any problem you can contact Dr. Kritika, and thank you so much.